brief us about yourself.
My name is Ahana Gupta. I study in Sun City School in grade 9. My father is my biggest inspiration to become a doctor. He is a surgeon and he performs surgeries in AIMS Hospital and other clinics as well.
Okay, very good. So how did you find IMCS?
So I wanted to start preparing for the medical entrance exam earlier in life so that my concepts are clear. So my mom and I, we were just searching on Google, and the top recommendations we saw IMCS Institute. So we decided to try it out.
जब आप IMCS में आए, आपको क्या डिफरेंस लगा IMCS में आने के बाद?
So मैं पहले I went to two other institutes just to take a trial class, but after this when I came to IMCS, the teachers were super friendly and their way of interaction was very unique and different. कि उनका समझाने का method and वो कैसे पढ़ाते हैं वो it was very different and very captivating. So it was interesting to study here. It is quite different.
Okay. If you talk about the concepts and foundation, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहोगे?
तो यहाँ पे after starting to study in IMCS, my concepts from base level, my concepts have become a lot more clear, and I have been able to solve a lot more out of syllabus questions because my bases are so clear now.
Okay, Anna. So are you taking classes offline or online?
We sometimes take classes online and sometimes we take classes offline in the institute. Whenever we're not able to come physically in class, we take classes online, which gives us a lot of flexibility to attend classes even if we're like out of station or traveling. And the atmosphere both online and offline is same. We are able to study and grasp the new topics in the same manner. And so in most of the online classes, my mom or my dad sit next to me and they observe how we're doing the classes, and it's a more relaxed environment. It saves a lot of time in communicating and.
Okay, okay, fine, no problem. Okay, so Anna, tell me about the batches. How many students are there in the batch, and how they take care of the individual attention to each student?
So in every batch we have a limited number of students, 6 to 7 students per batch, which allows every student to get individual attention by the teachers. And if they have any doubts, we can ask the teachers on the spot and they'll clarify it. And when we're practicing at home, if we have any doubts, there's a group on Telegram where we can message all our doubts, and we get instant responses in the span of a day.
Okay, great. So how do you find your teachers and their methodology? So let's first talk about the teachers. तो कौन-कौन से सब्जेक्ट की आप क्लासेस ले रहे हो IMCS में?
I study maths and science, physics, chemistry, bio in the IMCS Institute. Sonal ma'am teaches us maths and Varun sir teaches us science.
Okay. So can you brief us about the Sonal ma'am methodology? कैसे पढ़ाते हैं वो?
So Sonal ma'am has a very interesting way of teaching. So she motivates us a lot between classes and gives us examples of how people, even after struggling, rose up from their challenges and have gained a really high social stature. So for example, we are not able to understand a concept in maths, she will relate it to the real life examples and explain it to us in a very unique manner so that we understand the base of the subject and we have more clarity. So more than a teacher, she's also a mentor and a guide for us. So we feel comfortable in sharing anything that we like, any problems that we're facing with her. She's always there to support us and motivates us and guides us.
Tell us about Varun sir's methodology.
So Varun sir has a very interesting way of teaching us. He will also relate every single concept in science to real life examples, and he will ask us riddles and questions between the classes just to enhance our question solving ability. And so like other students who are going to institutes to study, their parents have to push them to go. We ourselves want to come to the institute because it's very interesting. We are very curious about what will happen in the next class and what all experiments we will do and what new questions will we get asked. So the institute has very good vibes when you enter, and it's a safe place. Like you feel safe when you come here. And because of the batch size, we made a lot of friends in class and interact with each other.
Anna, just tell us about the study material. How do you find the study material?
Study material given by IMCS is a cherry on the cake. So they have given us booklets, specific booklets for maths and science, which help us clarify our foundation-based concepts. And at the end of each chapter, there is a lot of questions that allow us to just practice over and over again. So the questions are from NCRT, from other reference books. They are previous year question papers, and then there's a chapter checkup at the end of each chapter in the book. So this allows us to practice over and over again, and it also helps us increase the speed of solving the questions in real life. They have also provided foundation books that allow us to increase our competitive level mindset and how we will perform in a competitive exam. They give us timed questions, timed revisions at the end of every test. And they also upload daily practice questions or DPPs after the class that allows us to practice on our own and revise the concepts.
Okay, Anna, what difference you find in other institute and IMCs?
So in IMCS, due to the restricted batch size, there's a lot of individual attention given to the students. And also, if there is a larger batch and there are more number of students, then sometimes we hesitate to ask the questions, and then they remain as doubts with us forever, and our concept clarity is not at its best level. So due to the small batch size, we're able to ask our doubts freely without hesitation, and there's also a very friendly teacher-student relationship. So these are the differences that I find between other institutes and IMCS.
Anna, if I ask you about the overall experience of yours about this institute, how do you say? What do you say?
This experience has been really good so far. Ever since I've joined the institute, even in school, my marks have gone up drastically, and my participation levels have also increased in school. I am aware of the concept beforehand because we are able to complete the chapters within a few classes, clarifying all the concepts, which gives you more confidence in school. And sometimes it also happens that when we are studying a specific chapter in school, we've already completed it in the institute. So like जब मेरे दोस्त ये teachers से पूछने के पहले मेरे से पूछते हैं questions, तो I solve it for them before they go to the teachers. So that also makes me really happy.
So Anna, if I ask you to rate this institute, how would you rate it out of 5?
I would rate it a 5 on 5. It is amazing, and it is a really a different setup and a very nice institute.
Would you like to tell us about the fee structure also?
So the fee structure is also very nominal as compared to the other institutions. And me and my parents are really satisfied and happy. Thank you.